In this video, we will show you how to create an FNB virtual card. If you guys want to get started with the FNB banking app, you can use the links down in the description. If you haven't already downloaded the FNB banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store, now open the app and log in using your FNB username and password. If you're a new user, you need to register first by following the app setup process. Once you're in the app, tap on the Cards tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will display all your exciting cards and give you the option to create a virtual card. Then click on the option to add a virtual card. The app will guide you through a few prompts like selecting the account you want a virtual card to be linked to. You can choose what type of card you need, whether for everyday purchases, online shopping or travels. FNB offers different virtual card options based on your need. Once you've selected your option, the card will be created instantly. You'll be able to view the card details, card number, expiry date and CVV in the app. Make sure to note these details for online purchases, as there are no physical card to revert to. So that's how to create FNB virtual card. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with FNB Bank app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.